What's up, you guys? It's your girl Taija G, and I'm back today with another cooking video. Yeah, and I have my son with me. He's gonna be my little helper. I always incorporate him with me when I'm cooking so he can learn how to cook. Some of these girls ain't trying to cook, they just lazy, so I need to teach my son how to cook. We got the whole chicken and some of these great good old seasonings. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video, alright? And let me know what you want me to cook next, okay? Give me a little challenge. Alright, let's go.
Mommy.
First things
Mommy.
first,
Mommy.
always.
Mommy.
Yes, baby? Okay. Always clean your food with vinegar, okay? That's the first thing you need to do.
Mommy.
Okay? So, let's go. Put it on there. We're going to add some Old Bay. Thank you. Go ahead. Season up that food. Go to the left, to the right, in the middle. Okay. So we're going to add some Old Bay to our food. I'll be right back. Let me properly season it.
Mommy. Come on.
Next is this. Don't add too much, just a little bit. I will add some total seasonings. I will add some Lori seasoning salt, just a little bit. And then I will add some garlic salt. Also some salt. It's always good to season inside of here. I stuffed some up in here. Okay.
Mommy.
Yes. I stuffed all the green peppers in here and the onions. Okay. I even take the knife and I cut little holes and I put them all around the chicken. Want to put some in there? Go ahead. No, thank you. So nice. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff them in there. If I had some what is that, lemon juice, I would have put that on there too. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff them up. Thank you. Go ahead, put them all on the chicken. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my little helper. All right. So yeah, stuff that thing up in there. Make sure it's all up in there, okay? Just give it some flavor. Take a knife, bore little holes in there and stuff them up in there like that. Okay, thank you. He got me a fork. Okay, thank you. Be right back. You can also add browning to it. I don't have my browning, but that sucks. Anywho, I have done stuffing my chicken. Now I'm going to add some butter in the pan and some water. Just a little bit. Because, you know, chicken gives out its own water. So, then you're just going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Y'all should preheat your oven to 450 and cook it for about 45 minutes. Cover it up with the foil. And then you're going to check on it. Take off the foil. And then let it get brown. Alright. So yeah. Go ahead and make more love to the chicken. Okay, you got to turn on the back too. Make love to it. Alright. So I add my butter on both sides. I'm going to put a little bit of water in there. I am also going to add some Worcestershire sauce on there as well. It's going to give it some flavor. And I'm going to let my chicken get some browning on it. So I'm going to add some on there. Make love to the chicken. Baby. I like my chicken to have some juice flavor. Okay. To then cover it with foil paper for about 45 minutes. Then I'll take the foil off and let it brown. So let's get to cooking. I want all my juices to stay in there as long as it can. Okay, soak up the juice. You know what I'm saying. Look how pretty this chicken is, y'all. So what I did was I cooked it on 450 for 45 minutes with this on, covering over it, and then I took it off and I cooked it for 30 minutes until it could get, well, look at this. It's literally falling off. See? That is how you cook your chicken, girl. Yup. Bam. This is the easiest thing to make, okay? Easiest. I got some side of rice. I make some rice, so I'm about to eat up. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. It means a lot to me. Let me know what you want to see next, okay? And I will be back again. Remember, this is a channel with me and my son. So support us by subscribing to our channel and give us a thumbs up, alright? Peace. I will show you guys the finishing touch at the end of the video. Bye.